Hello everyone, welcome to this video. In this video I will get you best cash cow YouTube channel niche, high CPM niche you can make in your channel and get a lot of money, a lot of dollars, money cakes like this. Firstly, it's first idea for make cash cow channel YouTube, high CPM. It's you can get luxury video cash cow like cars, about cars, and house and luxury house and villa, all this about real estate, luxury real estate, and luxury cars like Lamborghini, latest model, and like this. I wish you understand what I mean. Second idea, it's about celebrity. You can get or you can make channel about celebrity in the world, news of celebrity, all this. It's you can get money in YouTube with this without showing your face. Faceless, faceless idea. It's celebrity. And 30, you can another idea, it's movie summary cash cow video. And another idea, it's book summary or book summary cash cow YouTube. All this, it's best views, and you can make it without showing your face. And you can make a channel top 10 video. Top 10 video, it's a cash cow YouTube channel without showing your face. Top 10 top 10 cheapest products in the world, or top 10 shorts, top 10 strong human in the world, like this. And personal finance, if you make a personal finance channel, it's good and high CPM niche in YouTube. Or you can make cryptocurrency. Cryptocurrency, it's a high and good idea. This in 2023 you can make cryptocurrency because it's trending now, and investment in this niche, it's high. And you can make another idea, food and recipes. Food and recipes, it's a good idea for channel without showing your face. You can just showing your table, and showing recipes, just showing in your video recipes, ingredients, all this in your video. This is eight idea for best cash cow YouTube channel niche, high CPM niche. And thank you. If you like this video, just share it with your friends and with your colleague to help him to make cash cow channel, because cash cow channel, it's a passive income, and you can get money without effort and without showing your face. Thank you so much, and see you guys to another idea in YouTube or any business online, how you can get money in online. Thank you so much, and see you guys to another idea.